This is Huawei Nova 11, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I will demonstrate that you can set up and use the fingerprint unlock method, thus the feature that allows you to, lock and unlock your screen with your own fingerprint. So launch settings, enter biometrics and password category, tap at the fingerprint ID, then set up the backup screen lock method that is going to go alongside the fingerprint ID itself. And then turn on the unlock device toggle like that, and we can start registering or adding our fingerprint. So as you can see on this device, the sensor is located beneath or underneath the display. So just lay and lift your finger onto the scanner until the entire surface of your fingertip will be enrolled. You can follow those clues and the visual clues as well that help you to understand which part of the fingerprint the system needs to scan. So final stage is to scan all the fingerprint edges once again. And that'll be the enrollment was successful, so I can now start unlocking the screen of my device with my own fingerprint. Not only that is a convenient way to maintain a decent security level, but it's also a secure one as well. Next two tips actually, those are the options of the display and brightness category of settings. So let's enter it. The first one is the screen resolution. So this device allows you to switch between high and low resolution values. As you can know, the higher resolution will get you clearer and more detailed pictures and more detailed visual experience in general, but it will drain battery faster. So make your choice what you value more: increased or rather reduced power consumption, or increased or improved visuals, or you can just set it at smart resolution value, thus commanding the system to automatically switch between high and low resolution in accordance with the current system state, battery power, and etc. The next option, as I've already promised, is also at the display category. This time it is the screen refresh rate right below the screen resolution. So two values, standard or high, 60 Hz and 120 Hz respectively. The drill is somewhat the same. The same it was with the resolution. Basically, the higher you go, the smoother animations and visuals you get, but at the same time it comes at the expense of increased battery consumption or battery usage. So select your preferred or optimal value, which depends on your goals and preferences, or you can also set it in the dynamic, thus automated mode, and allow the system to regulate and adjust the refresh rate value in accordance with whatever scenario you are currently at. The next tip is how you can increase and boost the system performance. It is as easy as entering the battery category and entering the performance mode, which will slightly increase the battery consumption, but at the same time will provide you with a significant performance boost. The fifth and final tip for this video is also located at the battery category of settings, and you could have already noticed by now that I do not have the battery percentage at my status bar. So if I would like to show it or display it at the notification bar of my phone, you will need to enter the battery category of settings and simply place it rather next or either next to the battery icon or inside it like that. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.